James here, Has More Outdoor Products. Several videos that I watched, you know, it was pretty cut and dry on putting it into the maintenance mode, but taking it out of the maintenance mode, apparently there's an important step that most of them that I've seen were leaving out. I don't know if they changed it in 2023 or firmware upgrade or when they might have done it. It was stuck in maintenance mode. I couldn't get it out, and of course the truck's, you know, useless to drive without brakes. But anyway, here we go. Putting the vehicle in maintenance mode. Turn the ignition on, press and hold the gas, press and hold the parking brake, turn the ignition off with the other hand, turn the ignition back on, release. There we go. It says check brake system, brake maintenance mode. To turn the brake maintenance mode off is a little bit different. I don't know what year they changed it. Like I said, I have no idea, but there's a step that everybody seems to be leaving out on the current videos. Maybe I'm just not watching enough. I don't know. But anyhow, I'm gonna show you how to turn it back off real quick. What we're doing here, we're gonna turn the ignition on, press the gas, pull the parking brake. Pull it means pull it towards you. Then we're going to press and hold the brake. That's what they leave out. Pressing and hold the brake for a couple seconds. Let off that. Still holding the parking brake lever on and the gas to the floor. Turn it off. Turn the ignition back on. Let them go. Crank it up. Press the brake. We're going to put the parking brake on. Parking brake blinking, parking brake on, so we know that's working. Press the brake, turn the parking brake off, parking brake off. Okay, good to go. So just that little feature, that little important step there might help somebody out that thinks that it's, you know, they're gonna have to do something, that something crazy's going on. Hopefully this is helpful to someone that they can't get it out of the maintenance mode with a newer 2023. They may have done it some other year, I don't know. I just know I have a 2023 and this works. All right, appreciate it. We'll see you.